Here is the mud truck, the one that has the brightest future of ours. And it's still pretty much like we bought it, except it runs now. And today we're going to finish putting the front drive shaft on it, and we're going to try and make the other side of the cage look like this side. And that's kind of our goal for the day. This side of the cage, this is like we bought it. We paid $500 for this thing. And the idea, hopefully for today, is to get this side of the cage to look like that side. Or maybe more than that, but we'll see how it goes. Right, Dustin?